We see our fair share of crazy things from home inspectors all across the country. They send them to us, so we share them with you, and we have a little bit of fun along the way. Who's first? Oh,
I'm not even sure where to start with this.
Heath is first.
I mean,
Looks like dinner.
at least they used the junction box, but it's a big spaghetti mess of wires into this small container and wire nuts everywhere. There's no way you can close that up.
How many are you allowed in a
In
box?
something like that, maybe 4 or 5, depending on the actual
they're
size.
close.
So they're only over by 4 or 5 times.
More is plenty.
They are oozing
It's
out.
walking the line, yeah.
We'll check mine out. Real estate listed,
nice.
built-in irrigation system.
Is that your work?
No. We have
1,
pipes
2,
everywhere.
3, 4, 5, 6 off of one spigot.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
pretty incredible.
And what's the red tape for?
Oh, to plug the leaks.
Oh, nice.
Just a little handy tie.
Well, that's good, but talk about leaks. Look at this. Huh? There's a slate roof. Slate roofs are difficult to patch, but when you patch them, it's really a method. You're supposed to put a piece of copper flashing down, put the slate in, bend it up. That stops it from dropping down. But this way, the duct tape,
Duct tape fixes everything.
it's a lot easier. You know, you don't have to buy the copper. You don't have to take the time.
I love the old world craftsmanship of slate and duct tape.
You know, duct tape, I use it for my sneakers to hold them together, but this guy uses it to, that makes that tub absolutely waterproof for at least 27 minutes.
That's beautiful.
Is that
Read
wrong?
that hole.
No, is that wrong? In a funny way, it isn't.
Terrific. Well, we love getting them and we love having fun with them. So if you've got a home inspection nightmare and a picture, send it to us. We'll have a blast with it. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project. So be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.